Better with 2 on than 5.
What's that?
I know I tried making the world's longest goods train before. Completely by accident.
I take it you like the shape.
Yeah.
Oh,
See this gentleman?
You know, late 60s, early 70s.
Yeah, I think it's spot on the building.
Yeah. And it was good in that sense because we was able to get a lot of wagons that really neither of us would have been able to. I mean, like these 16-ton slope-sided wagons, you know, they've gone, you know, by the sort of late 60s, early 70s. So.
I'm going to say I've never seen them before.
Have you not?
No, I didn't even know there were wagons like them.
Yeah.
What did they put in them? Coal?
Yeah. Basically, they were just another variant of the 16-ton mineral wagon, but they were slope-sided.
And they looked a bit taller compared to the.
Well, they were kind of like carried the same sort of, you know, weight of capacity and what have you. But yeah.
Good. Flying Scotsman is my favourite engine, so I'm happy to see it present on anything.
Anything it runs on.
Yeah. I mean the one.
This needs to go to full noise.
Yeah.
Remembering stuff. I think it is the beginning of June, isn't it? Yeah.
Come on, you still.
Yeah, sometimes you have to just give them a little. Yeah.
Come on, would you? I think it's the picked up side.
It's a diesel. They don't behave, do they?
They behave better than some steam locomotive.
True.
Enough years between here to differentiate between kettle and diesel. I'm getting a new order. I love a new order.
Yeah.
Temptation 87 as featured on the soundtrack for the movie Train.
Well, there we go. It's appropriate then today.
This means I'm going to have to borrow the fiddle yard a bit because I'm going to pop this into the loop and I'm going to see so much coaches.
Yeah.
I've got into the destruction sheets here. See how everyone's runs like a timetable.
Oh, that's good. Organisation. Good to have it.
Yeah. Well, my experience, you could run a tourist to fiddle yard layout without a timetable.
Yeah.
In this case, it helps.
Yeah.
We all know what we're supposed to be doing.
Seems the real railway need a dose of that.
Nice and slow, nice and gentle now.
Is it okay to watch?
When you go, that wasn't in sense. So we'll fit that when you're going back.
What's wrong?
After I've spent hours prepping it, sailing them out, riding it, undercoating it,
Doesn't like it now.
flattening it all off, undercoating it, 2 top coats, all that needs down it, going on the wall, 10 holes fixed on a top coat of it. And then they've gone and put it hard onto the hard wooden floor. They've got like a gap underneath. So like
Right here. Tiring day. Yeah. Have you been here both days? You've been here both days. It would be.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, we were in Glasgow last week. 3 days.
Blimey. It's enough to tire anybody out.
Yeah.
Don't worry, I'm an amateur too. Just to get gathering a bit of film, that's all. I'm usually spotting trains, so doing model trains is a change for me.
You're going to get sick. I'm going to Super Bowl that box together. What's your answer to the New Year whistle?
Probably. No.
Not worth 200.
1, 2, 3. Get counting them.
If not got on that media office on Flying Scotsman.
No. Well, I know.
No joy. I call that the hall masquerading as a castle. That one. Not a Jubilee might have been better for the movies. Right.
I suppose it's wherever they could get it at that price will be the deciding factor.
Yeah. Oh, isn't Alton Hall part of the National Collection?
No, I think it's owned by it's in Harbour Railway. I thought it was his.
Yeah. I was going to say if it was National Collection, then they wouldn't have been.
Might be 56 on it.
front foot plate. I've got 250 psi in it, so that's listen.
Used to following them on a bigger scale, so it's changing your filming technique to follow a smaller one. I've got, I'm a bit of a railway jack of all trades. Not only do I film big uns and with the model club, I work with a 7 1/4 as well, so I drive steam and diesel.
Dave used to have an L1.
Following it before, I was trying to work out which way it was going to go. I didn't know anybody was behind it.
Yeah, it's the workshop on the way for that.
Oh, well, that's handy. So it's just 3 rail cars back and forth, really. Fair enough. Yeah, it's the double one coming now. Off it goes. You're off that one.
You got room?